How do you approach difficult conversations like, recommending budget increases or strategy pivots when current approaches are not working? How do you balance being responsive to client requests while also maintaining boundaries around your time and availability?
So I work in a very different time zone than most clients do, but I try to be available at the time when the clients are around. That being said, I've been really lucky to have clients who are very respectful of boundaries. So I don't have issues with clients not, wanting a response immediately and stuff. But the principle I'd say I follow is that I keep it's two things. Like if there's something really important and urgent, then it's important for me to like respond to them, to let them know I'm looking into it. Obviously, if it's still within work hours, even if it is like late in the work hours, I will look into it immediately. But if it's something that can be taken care of later, I still respond and I let them know that I'll get back to them on it with more detailed information or whatever it is by so and so time frame. Like I give a certain time frame. And generally, if there's an email that comes outside working hours, then again, if obviously I don't have access to the emails anymore, so I look at it once I'm back logged in for the next day. So yeah, that's how I go about it.
Okay. What tools or systems have you found most effective for keeping clients informed and engaged with their campaign progress?
The best one to go for as far as reporting is concerned would be Looker Studio. That's something we've been using for like years now. Looker Studio is great to break down really complex data into a small, cutesy little table that gives you everything at one glance. So Looker Studio is number one. Then email communications, obviously, it's a given, but Slack is another thing that I really like for instant communication. Though it's not very much, done amongst all of our clients, but something that helps when you don't want to go into your email, and if it's not something you look at every day. As far I'm talking about the client not looking at their emails every day. And then the third thing is Loom videos. Loom is great for recording videos and then sharing them with the client, because it lets you talk about certain things that would rather be spoken about than going through an email. So yeah, Loom works really great.
Yeah, it also saves you time instead of like meeting
Yes.
or something. Yeah,
Yes.
cool. Okay. How do you approach difficult conversations like, recommending budget increases or strategy pivots when current approaches are not working?
So it's always going to be like I follow this rule that I will always let the client know what I think is important or what needs to be done, but I'm not pushy about it. However, I am frequently reminding them of it. So if there's anything that I need to do, I will present my case and I let them know that this is why it's important and this is why we should do it. It might sound like it's not going to work, but it does because of XYZ reasons. And then I present that to them, and then I let them take the decision of whether to move forward with it or not. And then during the following weeks or months that we have a conversation, if I still feel like it needs to be done, I give a gentle reminder about it. Obviously, not being very annoying and pushy about it, but yeah, a gentle reminder to check in if they've reconsidered that thought. And it usually works, because I think in the beginning the client is a bit hesitant, but when they have time to think about it, they agree. So yeah, letting them know is the most important thing. Yeah.
We are talking about the importance of lead quality conversations and measuring your cost per lead versus cost per qualified lead? Because I think